Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Xiaomi made Redmi a separate sub-brand and the company entered budget smartphone segment by launching two stunning devices, the Redmi Note 7 and Note 7 Pro. In this video, let's talk about the top 5 features of Redmi Note 7 and the reasons on why you should wait for this phone. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our Redmi Note 7 Pro coverage. First, let me say the specs of Note 7 and you guys decide if the phone is worth waiting for. A 6.3-inch Full HD Plus water-drop notch display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, a complete design overhaul with gradient paint job, a full-fledged Snapdragon 660 processor, 48MP plus 5MP dual rear camera, USB Type-C port, 4000 mAh battery, quick charge 4.0 support, and all this for just 10,000 rupees. At least on paper, Redmi Note 7 looks like a solid contender for the best value for money budget smartphone of 2019. Now let's talk about the top 5 features and reasons on why you should wait for this phone. The number one reason is the price of Redmi Note 7. I was surprised to see Redmi offering such a beastly phone for 1000 yuan, which is just 10,000 Indian rupees. No phone in the market right now offers a full-fledged Snapdragon 660 and a 48MP camera at 10,000 rupees. Practically speaking, it would be too difficult for Redmi to price Note 7 for 10,000 Indian rupees. My guess is Redmi could price Note 7 base variant for 12,000 rupees and the price will go all the way up to 16,000 rupees for the 6GB RAM model. Do you think is it worth spending 12,000 rupees for Note 7? Share your thoughts in the comment section or in polls. When Xiaomi launched Note 6 Pro, many fans hated Xiaomi's strategy of launching new phones with same features in different names. But with Note 7 we get what fans asked for, a complete design overhaul with all new gradient paint job like Honor and Huawei phones. Redmi also went all-gun racings in the camera department on the new Note series smartphones. The only difference between Note 7 and Note 7 Pro is the latter uses much superior Sony IMX 586 sensor, which should perform better than the Samsung GM1 sensor found on Note 7. Technically, Snapdragon 660 can support up to 25MP camera. So the question we all have in our mind is, how come Note 7 Pro sports a 48MP camera? The answer is both sensors use pixel binning technology in which 4 sub-pixels will be treated as single pixel and pass through software processing to produce better images. You can read more about pixel binning and difference between Sony and Samsung camera sensor in the articles linked below. Redmi also upgraded the internals of Note 7 to provide better performance. The device is now powered by 2.2GHz Snapdragon 660 processor with 3, 4 or 6GB RAM options. In 2019, Redmi retained the headphone jack and replaced the charging port with USB Type-C. To top it off, Redmi have added quick charge 4.0 support, but the catch is Redmi will not bundle the fast charger in the box. You guys should buy the quick charger separately. The expected launch date of Redmi Note 7 is on February, but I do not know the exact launch date in India. If I come to know the exact launch date of Redmi Note 7, I will create a pinned comment so that you guys can know when Redmi Note 7 will be launched in India. Are you guys excited about Redmi Note 7? Is it the perfect Redmi budget smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comment section or in polls. If you guys do like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.